Okay, baby. Hey, don't move that. Move it along. What are you doing? Stay over here. Stay over here. Oh, I don't know what. What? Okay.
I just wanted to know if I come out.
Yeah, she can. You might be mad at us for letting her out here with all this. Cece's over there playing.
Okay.
So what do you do after you clean? You're all done cooking to clean this up, or
So, honestly, with all this stuff, since it's all mostly like oil, there's not a lot of sugar. If you're doing, so if it's just oil, basically you'll just scrape it. I'll spray a little bit of water on there to make sure that like any of the grit kind of get loosens up, and you'll just scrape it in a thing, and then you're done. You don't have to do anything to it. If you're cooking a lot of like stuff with like marinades and that have sugars and stuff in there, what you'll do is you'll do the same thing, but when you're completely done, when it's still warm, if it's not still warm, you can heat it back up. You'll just put a little bit of that conditioner stuff you have and kind of like let it spread it around the whole thing until it starts to smoke, and then you'll just turn it off and leave it. And then once it cools off, you can cover it with the orange thing. Because that'll basically, like, what you're doing is like the oil is seeping into the cast iron. Because remember when you bought it, it was kind of like all that color, and now it's darker. So when the more it gets seasoned, the darker this will get. It'll be like black. And that's just the oil kind of seeping into the iron. And that helps it like not stick and like a normal cast iron pan. Yeah.
Other bubbles to it.
It doesn't work.
No, that one's not working.
Oh. Okay, then go get the other one. It's probably inside. I told my mom one night we'll do hibachi. We'll do all the rice and chicken and whatnot. Yep, Freya can come out, that's fine. Hey, you guys could share it, okay? What? That one doesn't work. The other one they have works. Hey, not by the grill. Pick that up, please. Be careful. We're not playing with all that stuff by the grill, okay? Someone's gonna get hurt.
Good.
Thanks, dude. I'm glad you like it. Almost good with these. Once these steaks are done, I'll just transfer all the potatoes over here so they get a little crisp to them. Fryer, stop!